Alright, since I'm having lifter issues, as in one's broke, I'm going to move on and make some progress on the bottom end here and put the Boomer Chopstick in. The old Summit E303 Plus. Pretty mild in this world of cams, but, you know, gotta start somewhere. Alright, so I've been forewarned that once you start getting her back in there, it can be pretty tight. So I might come to showing her who's boss, telling her what for with a little rubber mallet. Ooh, look at that. Some 8900, made in USA. Alrighty. I'm gonna get my totally not for nefarious use tub of Vaseline and just go to fucking town on this bitch. See, I do have some engine assembly lube, but honestly, I've had way more engines go smooth, just as smooth, if not smoother, using the Vaseline. Plus, wipe this on your shirt, and it's not going to stain it that bad. This will be the most Vaseline I think I've used in one engine. Well, you know, one engine component at least. This is insane. I've had this tub for God knows how long. All right. Let's give her what for. Oh. Okay, that went way too smooth. I don't know if it was the Vaseline or cam bearings or just cam bearing. But yeah. I'll take it. Hell yeah, brother. I know I just got done saying you can just wipe this on your shirt, but for as I have it. Baby's first camshaft. Hell yeah.
that better?
Yeah, thanks.
I'm making too much fucking noise. How about now? Okay.
Yeah, that's better.
I'll stop.
Thanks. Water pump's on. Ooh, fancy shiny. And I got the lifters in. They are exactly the same.
I don't know about
Good
exactly.
shit. They're close enough.
I don't know about exactly. They should be better than what you had.
I mean, anything's better than
what they had.
anything's better than broke.
Right. That's why I don't think they're exactly the same.
Yeah, good enough.